In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable the Now bar on your Samsung device, which allows quick access to key features and live notifications without unlocking your phone. Open the Settings menu. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap the gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Find the Now bar option and tap on it. The Now bar helps you view essential information at a glance. Tap on See More to view a full list of available activities. You can enable or disable features like Sports from Google, Media Player, Maps, Samsung Health, Clock, Samsung Notes. Now you can enjoy real-time notifications. When activated, Live updates will appear on your lock screen, status bar, and notification panel.